Hey everyone, Andrew from Novice. Today we'll be installing a Console Vault in-vehicle safe in this 2015 Ford F-150. This safe in particular will fit all F-150 trucks from 2015 to 2021 with the underfront middle seat console. Console Vault also offers two other versions for the F-150. One fits the smaller armrest console and the other one fits the standard center console without a middle seat. Console Vault makes customized safes for a wide range of models and years for SUVs, light trucks, and a multitude of vehicles that are all listed on consolevault.com. They even have a motorcycle safe for the Harley-Davidson Bagger. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the Console Vault in-vehicle safe for so many reasons. It provides protection against smash and grabs and gives you a not just hidden, but secure place to store your valuables that in many situations you don't want to or can't take with you. If you're going for a run, a hike, or just a walk in the park, and you don't want to have your wallet bouncing around in your pocket, it's protected. If you carry a firearm and you're going into a facility or a business where you can't carry it, it's protected. If your firearm is in your vehicle at home and your kid jumps in the car to grab a toy or a drink they left inside, they're protected because you keep it secured in your Console Vault in-vehicle safe. Each Console Vault safe, no matter the make or model, is easy to install and performs tremendously to provide peace of mind in storing your valuables. And Console Vault is now a proud Ford Global brand partner. The current combination must be on prior to resetting, which in this case would be 4 zeros. And now you're just going to push the reset button with a paperclip or a small pin and keep it pushed in while you turn the dials to your desired combination. Then you will release the button and your new combination is set. Be sure to test your new combination with the door open. Now you're ready to install your safe. Alright, so now we're inside the truck, and as I mentioned before, this version is going to be for the under-seat console. The installation is fast and easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. We're going to go and open our center console here, and we already cleaned this one out beforehand, but you're going to obviously want to remove all the contents before you get started on this. Going to take our Console Vault and slide it right into place. Just like that, nice snug fit. Notice the two threaded fittings on each side of your Console Vault. That's going to be what secures it to your vehicle so that nobody can actually remove the safe itself. Now you're going to want to take your 4 self-tapping screws that came with your in-vehicle safe, and you're going to want to screw those in. Now you're just going to need an 11mm on a socket wrench or a ratcheting driver like I have here. And you're just going to start turning these. There's no drilling required. Like I said, they are self-tapping. Now it's very important that you don't over tighten these screws. Once the screw is fully down, stop. Don't over tighten, it'll cause damage to the fitting. Now the next thing you want to do, if you have your OEM console liner, this vehicle does not still have it, but you're going to want to lay that down in here. Then your installation is complete and your valuables will now be secured in your vehicle like never before. As you can see, it's a very easy do-it-yourself installation. It took way less than like 15 minutes. This thing is completely hidden from view. It's sturdy, secure. I got my stuff in there now because right after this video I actually have to run to the post office and can't exactly take my firearm in there. So I have the peace of mind to know that my firearm's going to be secure while I'm in the post office and my cash will be safe until I can make it to the bank. As always with Console Vault, this was a very easy install, and if you have any questions at all, the Console Vault team is available to assist you. Call 1-800-878-1369 or reach out to them at consolevault.com. I hope this video was a helpful guide to installing your own in-vehicle safe, or it assisted you in your research before your purchase. Don't forget to use promo code NOVICE for 10% off, and thanks for watching.